Hi guys, I am super excited because we're here in Barcelona for Samsung Unpacked with an exclusive hands-on of the new Galaxy S5. You do not want to miss this. So here we have it. One of the first things you'll notice when you pick up the Galaxy S5 is this unique perforated back cover, which provides a modern and glam look. And the contour that runs around and under the bezel provides a natural and comfortable grip. There are 4 vivid colors, and this is the electric blue version. The Galaxy S5 comes with a 5.1-inch Full HD Super AMOLED screen with adaptive display. And right below here is the home button, which is also a finger scanner. It also has an ultra power saving mode, so you can conserve battery to its maximum. The micro USB connector is at the bottom of the phone, and with the port cover, enables one of the key hardware features. The Galaxy S5 is IP67 resistant to water and dust. What's notable about the Galaxy S5 is the 16 megapixel camera with phase sensor technology. That means better image quality and performance. The Galaxy S5 uses a combination of contrast autofocus, a must-have in most cameras, and phase detection autofocus, a feature found in many digital SLRs. This pairing is a world first for a smartphone. The autofocus is up to 3 times faster than conventional autofocus found on other smartphones and can let you lock focus in 1/3 of a second. There's this other great feature called selective focus. With this, you can easily take beautiful pictures with blurred backgrounds and even adjust the focus after shooting. If you're into high dynamic range photography, then you'll appreciate the high dynamic range rich tone function. It controls the light exposure and lets you preview in real time not just how your picture will turn out, but also your video. People like to share their photos and videos with friends and family, and the Galaxy S5 lets you do that quickly. It's the world's first smartphone that supports Wi-Fi 802.11 AC MIMO, so you get the fastest Wi-Fi performance, but that's not all. It also packs the best network connectivity with full LTE coverage, support for Cat4, Voice over LTE, and more. The S5 has a great camera and the fastest internet speeds, but it also helps you lead a fitter and healthier life, right here from the unified dashboard. You can access your current lifestyle, set goals you want to achieve, and manage activities that would help you reach your goals. There's a heart rate sensor, the first of its kind, right here below the camera. Place your finger fully over the sensor and you can measure your beats per minute. These new features are a great complement to the new Gear wearables. This one right here on my wrist is the Gear Fit, the world's first wearable device with a curved Super AMOLED display. It's incredibly light at 27 grams and comes with a built-in heart rate sensor, but more importantly, it's also water and dust resistant for an active lifestyle. On the Gear 2, the camera is now on the bezel, and with no electrical wiring in the strap, you can change it to easily reflect your lifestyle. Isn't that awesome? There are so many other features, and I've only touched on a few of them here. So stay tuned to Samsung Mobile on YouTube to find out more about the Galaxy S5, the Samsung Gear 2, and the Gear Fit. I'm Frankie Vu, reporting live at Unpacked 2014 in Barcelona.